Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the Vivo phone is unlocked and online so settings sync properly. Sign into the Google account that manages the child or is listed as a guardian. You need full access to remove controls. Open the Settings app, tap Google, then locate Parental Controls or launch the Family Link app directly. Once done, you'll see the child account listed. Make sure you're using the guardian account, not the child's, because only guardians can change these controls. Next, tap the child profile and choose Manage Settings to see restrictions like apps, content filters, and screen time. To remove supervision entirely, select Stop Supervision or Remove Account. The option appears after you expand each settings category. You'll be prompted to confirm with the Guardian Google password or device PIN. Enter it to proceed. Once you confirm, Family Link will schedule the change and notify the child account. If some toggles are grayed out, make sure the device is finished by restarting the Vivo device so Google services refresh. Sign out and sign back into the Guardian account if controls still appear. Confirm Family Link and Google Play services are updated from the Play Store because outdated apps can prevent changes. If removal fails, use the Guardian account recovery options or contact Google support. Have the Guardian email and device details ready. A common fix is clearing app cache for Family Link and forcing a sync before re-attempting removal, which often resolves stuck supervision flags.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.